Good day! This is SmartwatchSpecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we are here for the IW8 Smartwatch and we are going to test, and compare its health function to our medical grade device here. Okay, so we are going to check the heart rate as well as the blood pressure monitoring of our IW8 smartwatch and compare it with our Omron medical grade device. Okay, so we already attach it here and we'll see if the result are close or not. Okay, so if you have any questions regarding this demo, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have the time. And of course, please subscribe, like, and share this video, so we can provide more tutorial videos and comparison of different wearables. Okay, we are now ready. So let's check our blood pressure as well as the heart rate monitor. Then after that, we are going to check it with our smartwatch. So let's start. Okay. So let's check. Okay, let's see. Okay, so we have here 105/72 and we have 60 bits per minute. Okay, let's do it again. Okay. Okay, still monitoring and we'll see. Okay, so we have 105/73 and we have 73 bits per minute. So we have an increase in the heart rate. So let's see. Okay, let's wear this wearable and see whether the result is closer to the medical grade device. Again, remember we have 105/73. Okay, so let's check. Where's our blood pressure? So we have our blood pressure here. And then the results here is 105/73. So let's see. Okay, we have 125/78. Okay, far from the results here. How about the heart rate? So let's see. Later on, we're going to have a simultaneous detection. Okay, to see whether we do have a closer or just a random result of the heart rate monitoring. So we have 89, 87, 92, 91. Okay, we have 91. So far from the 73 results here. Again, let's put it in a proper place. Okay, let's arrange it. And let's have another monitoring. Okay, so where's our blood pressure? It's here. Then let's start. Okay, so let's see if we'll have a 103/75 here. Okay. So 105/72. So that is a bit almost exactly the result. How about for the HR here? We have 67 and we have, let's see here. I don't know if this is just a lucky guess for our heart rate here, for our smartwatch for the blood pressure. 17 to 67, not that far. Okay. Again, let's have another one. Let's make it sure. Okay. That it's not just showing any random results here. Okay. So we have 115/83. A different results again compared to the first one. We'll see. We have again 115/83. Oh, it's not that far. Again, for the heart rate, seems like we do have a good sensor here, but I'm not sure. Okay, maybe in the next few days I will try to test it again, and if it's the results are close, then we can say that the sensor is good. Okay. Okay, as you can see here, the result is not that far from the Omron, okay, medical grade device. Okay, hopefully we do have a good sensor here and not just a random monitoring of our health. Okay, hopefully the heart rate as well as the blood pressure here is working properly. Okay, but so far we showed you the results, so it's up to you whether it works or not. Okay, it's up to you whether the results are reliable or not. Again, additional health features here available are sleep monitoring, and as you can see earlier, we do have a breathing guide. So if you have any questions regarding the demo, please drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Please subscribe, share, and like our video. Bye.